Hey everyone, big news for Linux users on Windows. AlmaLinux is now officially available right from the command line using WSL. That's right, no more jumping through hoops with the Microsoft Store. Just one quick command and you've got a full Alma Linux instance up and running. And here's the best part. This also means Windows Server admins can finally deploy Alma Linux seamlessly alongside their Windows workloads. No extra hassle, no complicated setups. Let me show you how it works. First of all, make sure WSL is enabled in the Windows features. Next, open the command prompt as administrator. Then run this command to check the Linux distributions you can install on WSL. As you can see, 3 releases are already live in the online list. Now just run this command to install Alma. Select the version you want to install. You can launch Alma from the Start menu or from the command line. Just run this command. That's it. Now you can run Alma Linux natively on Windows with WSL. No virtual machines, no complex setups, just one command. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.